What's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a very quick tutorial on one of Beyonce's looks she did in the Check On It video. Right now I am just applying concealer to my eyes and I'm going to blend that out using one of my brushes. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to add a highlight on my eyebrows. I should say my eyebrow bone. I'm taking a very old palette. One of the colors are green, so since I'm using a green screen, it's gonna look weird. Now I'm gonna take my Venus, I think this is #1 palette. I'm gonna take that red that you see there, and I'm just gonna start to build up this easy, simple cut crease. I'm now going to take this really dark color in that old palette and just start to, basically I'm just going to draw a line that represents my crease. And you'll see that this is going to look kind of like bad, but it'll all come together at the end. This is what I call a very easy cut crease. Now you just want to blend everything out. I'm just kind of going through the eyeshadows and blending everything. I'm going to take that goldish champagne color from the palette. I'm going to spray my brush and I'm going to use that to have the product stick on better. And I'm just going to basically kind of, I guess, cut the crease. I'm just going to, you guys see how I'm applying it. So it's just going to make it look better and come all together. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow, very freaking easy. So now I'm going to go to my eyelashes and I'm going to apply these to my lash. These are very thin. She had a very thin pair on in the video, so I'll link down below where I got these from. Now I'm just applying some blush. One of those are from Tarte and the other one is from Wet n Wild. I love these blushes so much as a combo. It just has the perfect pink. Next I'm doing my lips. I'm just going to apply a brown lip liner and then some pink lipstick, then gloss at the end. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Just leave me a like down below if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!